Hi everyone. Today we're going to do a dramatic smoky look. Blacks and pinks and purples, spring, flowers, femininity, but also dark and mysterious. Very dramatic, maybe night out. It's going to be based on black and purple. Any kind of light purple that you have, you can change it up. And the base color will be black eyeshadow, very simple. Yeah, here we go. Let's start with the eyes. This is an eyeshadow base from NYX that I like. You can just use concealer or foundation if you don't have one, but I really like these brights. It's a light lavender color. Just want to spread it evenly over the whole eye and underneath, as close to your lash line as you can. Make sure you get the inner corner of the eye. It's pretty messy here, but that's why I'm going to do the face makeup last. Here's some eyeshadows going straight for that black. It's a matte black, very, very basic. You're going to have to put a lot on and a lot of layers. So starting from the center of the eye going outward, really follow your natural eye shape and then go a little bit above. It gets a little tricky to get in all the creases, but make sure that you leave the inner corner totally free of the black. Don't get the black in the inner corner here. We're just covering the outer corner from the center over and above the crease. This will look a little different on everyone because of specific individual eye shape. You can change your eye shape if you want to know how to do that. Please put a comment below. You can change your eye shape with a look like this, but for this one, I'm just going with my natural eye shape. Here's kind of a sparkly, different kind of like a liquid eyeshadow, or you can use this as eyeshadow base as well. Just something that has a little bit more shimmer. Again, if you don't have anything, you can use concealer instead. I'm using a bright purple color here. It looks more fuchsia on the phone, but it's actually more purple in real life. I don't know why. Right in the inner corner, and blending it into that black and all the way underneath the lower lash line and the upper lash line, and just making sure that it's saturated with that brighter color. You can blend it right into all the black. Make sure you go under the lashes. Then I'm going to go in with a shimmery, more purple, lavender, just different types of purples. So I'm mixing up a few different purples and different shimmers to have a different effect depending on when the light hits it. I'm making sure to go all over the eye, the inner corner, and the lower lash line under the lashes, not where the water part goes. And that's it. Now I have to go back in with the black to cover up the parts that got over. So the blending is really important in this look. And like I said, we're going to do a lot of layers of the black to really make that dark dramatic effect. So if it's looking washed out, you need more black eyeshadow. I'm blending out the edges so that it has a softer look on the outside, but I really need that dark black look. I'm going to use this Kajal. It's a black eyeliner that I really, really, really love. I'm doing the inner lining of my eyes, upper and lower, or however much you can stand. Some people can't do the upper. And then I'm going to do the outside, right above the lashes, especially focusing on the outer corners of the eyes. I'm not doing too much on the inner corner with this black. And I'm just going to shape up the eyeshadow with the black eyeliner to just deepen it, darken it, and make it stay better. So I'm using this eyeliner sort of to make more defined lines of the shape of the black part of this eyeshadow, and make sure that the color of the black has enough depth. So this is really adding another element to that depth. I'm going to go in with foundation and clean up the whole look. I like this brush. I don't always use brushes. Today I felt like doing that. Really get it all over, a really warm glow, really clean the face up. Since you have a lot going on in the eyes, the face should really look very pure and clear. So I like to do a little bit thicker of foundation when I'm doing a dramatic eye look, just to keep it clean. I'm going for a lighter eyebrow look today. I'm just using eyeshadow, and it's lighter than I normally do because I know I talk a lot about balance. Sometimes balance can mean not actually balance as an equal and congruent, but knowing when to go lighter. So this lighter eyebrow look maintains that the focus and darkest part is the eyes. So I'm just going in again with the black eyeshadow to just really, really solidify a deep, deep black. Some eyeshadows that you can use wet and dry, you want to wet it for this kind of look, and that's totally fine. I don't have that kind of eyeshadow right now. Maybe this one could be used that way too. I'm not sure. I should look into it, but it's another option. Just going in with a really light bronzer, giving some definition to my face, following the natural lines, that C shape under the cheekbone and the outside corner of the eyebrow above. I'm going on the sides of my nose just to give myself a little bit of a sun-kissed look, and under on the neck and the chin underneath. Here's a little highlighter. This one is the Reflects Pink. It's like a whitish pinkish, just to give a glow and tie in all those pinky tones in the eyeshadow. I put a little bit of that highlighter right above my eyebrow as well to tie in the look, and in a couple of little other places. I'm gonna do a neutral pink. This one is from MAC. It's a little bit more neutral than it looks on the video, but I don't know, it shows up that way. It is not matte, it is creamy. And here's a nude liner from MAC. Now, depending on your skin tone, you want to use a different color liner. So you go there and you find a kind of pinkish neutral liner. So I'm not going to tell you even the color. Just putting a lot of mascara on for this look. You can do lashes. I'm in quarantine. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not doing lashes. I don't need to deal with all that. But you really don't need them with a look like this unless you are one of those people that love them. But back to the lip liner. Make sure you find a lip liner that's a nude and neutral for you. Everyone's skin tone and lip color is so different that you can't just go by what someone else is wearing. Just a little added sparkle right in the center and blend it in for that lip look. Any lip gloss will do. And that's the completed look. Here it is. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me. Please write them below. I hope you like it. To finish off the look, one of the things I love is this thing I picked up in France. It's an oil that smells divine, and it has that glitter sparkle. So as you can see, once you put it on, the light really hits your skin in a different way. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for your support. I wanted to show you this look in full sun